Hello students, now we draft tailored skirt block. Towards the top right corner, draw the look of the garment. This is the front look of the garment and this is the back look of the garment for tailored skirt block. So before going to start, we are going to draft skirt draft separately and waistband separately. So let us start drafting skirt of tailored skirt block. So for that, draw one perpendicular line towards the top left corner. And extend the vertical line down. Label the corner as 1. Step number 1 is 1 to 2 downward direction, skirt length minus waistband width, which is 58 minus 3, 55 centimeters for standard size 10. So 1 to 2 down, measure 55 centimeters and label point number 2. Step number 2 is 1 to 3 outward direction is half of hip round measurement plus 1.5 centimeters extra for ease. That is 90 divided by 2 plus 1.5, which is 46.5 centimeters for standard size 10. So 1 to 3 towards your right hand direction measure 46.5 centimeters. This is 46 and this is 46.5 and label point number 3. Now from point number 3, square down and square across from point number 2. Draw perpendicular lines from point number 3 and from point number 2. And wherever these two lines are intersecting, label point number 4. Now next step is 1 to 5. Downward direction is waist to hip measurement minus waistband width, which is 20 minus 3, 17 centimeters for standard size 10. So from point number 1, measure 17 centimeters down and label point number 5. In the same way, 3 to 6 also measure 17 centimeters. So from point number 3, measure 17 centimeters down and label point number 6. And then join 5 and 6 with a straight dotted line. Here 1 to 3 line represents waistline, 5 to 6 line represents hip line and 2 to 4 line represents hemline. And next step is 5 to 7 towards your right outward direction is 1/4 of hip round plus 1.5 centimeters is, which is 90 by 4 plus 1.5, that is 24 centimeters for standard size 10. So 5 to 7 outward direction measure 24 centimeters and label point number 7 here. From point number 7, square down. Draw one perpendicular line from point number 7. And wherever this line is touching the line from 2 to 4, label point number 8. Now next step is 1 to 9 outward direction is 1/4 of waist round plus 4 centimeters for back waist darts plus 0.25 centimeters extra for ease. That is for standard size 10 waist round is 68 centimeters. So 68 by 4 plus 0.25, which becomes 20.25 centimeters. So from point number 1, measure 20.25 centimeters and label point number 9. Next step, 9 to 10 upward direction is 1 centimeter. So measure 1 centimeter from point number 9 and label point number 10. And then join 10 and 7 with a straight dotted line. And then join 1 and 10 with a smooth curve using your French curve. Use your French curve like this. And then join 1 and 10 with a smooth curve for your waistline curve. And then measure 1 to 10 and divide 1 to 10 line into 3 equal divisions. So this is 20.25 centimeters. So at every 6.6 centimeters you will get the division. So from point number 1 measure 6.6 centimeters. Again from there measure 6.6 centimeters more and label the two divisions as 11 and 12. From 11 and 12 draw straight dotted lines which are parallel to your 1 to 2 line. So from 11 and 12, draw straight dotted lines. So these two lines are the guidelines for the back waist dart. Now 11 to 13 downward direction, measure 13 centimeters down, which is the dart length, and label point number 13. And on either directions of point number 11, measure 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. 11 to A 1 centimeter and 11 to B 1 centimeter on either directions, and then join A 13B for back waist dart. Now in the same way, from point number 12, measure 12 centimeters down, which is the dart length, that is 12 to 14 down 12 centimeters, and on either directions of point number 12, measure 1 centimeter, that is 12 to C 1 centimeter and 12 to D 1 centimeter, and then join C 14D. Now measure 10 to 7 and take the midpoint of 10 and 7. It is 18 centimeters, so at 9 centimeters you will get the midpoint and label it as X. X is the mid of 10 and 7. Now X to X dash outward direction towards your right is 0.5 centimeters, half centimeter. So label X dash here. Now using French curve, join 10 X dash and 7 with a smooth curve for waist to hip curve. So you have to place your French curve like this, and then join 10 X dash and 7 with a smooth curve for waist to hip curve. So this is the back draft of tailored skirt block. So let us give the pattern information. 1 to 2 line represents on fold, and 1 to 2 line represents center back line. So write on CB. CB represents center back. Straight grain line. Name of the pattern skirt block. Back draft. This is for standard size 10, and number of pieces to be cut 1 piece. So this is the back draft. Now let us start drafting front. So for this, again 3 to 15 towards your left hand direction, inward direction is 1/4 of waist plus 2 centimeters for dart plus 0.25 centimeters for ease, that is 64 by 4 plus 2 plus 0.5, that which becomes 18.25 centimeters for standard size 10. So 3 to 15 inward direction, measure 18.25 centimeters and label point number 15 here. Next step is 15 to 16 upward direction is 1 centimeter and label point number 16. Now join 16 and 7 with a straight dotted line. Now join 16 and 3 with a smooth curve using your French curve. You have to place your French curve like this, and then join 16 and 3 with a smooth curve like this for waistline shaping, and then divide 3 to 16 line into 3 equal divisions. Measure 3 to 16, which is 18 centimeters. So for every 6 centimeters you will get the division. At 6 and 12 you will get the divisions. Now label the first division as 17 and ignore the other division. Now this is the guideline for your front waist dart. So from point number 17, draw one straight dotted line which is parallel to 3 to 4 line, and along this line measure 10 centimeters down, which is the front waist dart length. So 17 to 18 down 10 centimeters, and on either directions of point number 17 measure 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So 17 to E 1 centimeter and 17 to F 1 centimeter on either directions, and then join E 18F. Now this is the front waist dart. Now take the midpoint of 16 and 7. It is 18 centimeters. At 9 centimeters you will get the midpoint and label it as Y. Y is the mid of 16 and 7. Now Y to Y dash towards your left hand direction, that is inward direction, is half centimeter, that is 0.5 centimeters. Label it as Y dash. Now join 16 Y dash and 7 with a smooth curve using your French curve. Now you have to place your French curve like this, and then join 16 Y dash 7 with a smooth curve to draw your waist to hip curve. Now this is the front draft. Now let us give the pattern information. 3 to 4 line represents on fold, And this particular line represents center front line, so write down CF. The grain line given here is straight grain line. Name of the pattern, skirt block, front draft. This is for standard size 10. Number of pieces to be cut, 1 piece. So this is the skirt drafting. Now let us start drafting waistband. So for that, again draw one perpendicular line. Label the corner as 0. Step number 1. 0 to 1 down is waistband width, which is 3 centimeters for standard size 10. 0 to 2 out is half of waist round measurement plus 0.25 centimeter is, that is 64 by 2 plus 0.25, which becomes 32.25. So 0 to 2 out, measure 32.25 centimeters and label point number 2. Now square down from point number 2 and square across from point number 1. And wherever these two lines are meeting, label point number 3. Next step is 2 to A outward direction is 2 centimeters, which we are taking extra for hooks and eyes. In the same way, 3 to B outward direction is 2 centimeters, and then join A and B with a straight line, and here strike off lines like this, for which we are taking extra. Now 0 to 1 line represents on fold line. Grain line given for waistband is crosswise grain line. Name of the pattern, waistband. This is for standard size 10. Number of pieces to be cut, 2 pieces. So this is the draft of tailored skirt block.